Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be working on the little Up. So I'm in the Up today. It came with the steel wheels, which is a bit crap. I had the speed lines on it, so if you follow me on Instagram you'll see that I changed them to speed line wheels. But yeah, so I basically come across a good buy on Facebook Marketplace, and I got some wheels here. They're lightweight, Lenso D1 I believe. So yeah, we'll be putting them on. I'll probably give them a quick wash. They are a bit filthy at the moment, like you can see there's lots of brake dust on some of them. Tire wise, they're basically brand new. I got 2 winter ones and then 2 just normal ones. Obviously date wise they're old, so this stamp here, so it first tells you the week and then the year. So that's week 50, so basically that's the last week of the year, and then year 16, so basically about December time, end of December 2016. So these wheel tire wise they're actually old, but tread wise they're basically brand new. But yeah, that's the wheel. I'll get them out and then we'll give them a quick wash and then put them on the car, and then hopefully get it looking a little bit better. And they're basically just lightweight monoblock Lenso wheels. So I've just taken the wheels out of the car, and then this one, I've noticed it hadn't got no air in it, and this one's also got a nail in it. I'll see if we can get that repaired, and then we'll wash them up and put them on the car. So basically this is what I'm going to get. It's Sunday today and the tyre shops are all closed. It's like gone past 12ish, so I'm going to get one of these. And basically I've used them before, they're not too bad, even for track use, believe it or not. Yeah, they do hold up quite well. So yeah, I just get out the shop now. I basically just went to a normal, like a range type of shop. You can buy them on eBay as well, but I just needed it today, so I've come here. Otherwise I'd probably buy them on eBay and whatnot. So basically I just picked up this kit. It's pretty straightforward. You use the obviously you got to pull out the nail first, use that one there, which is a jaggedy drill bit basically. Just use my drill basically, and then drill out the hole just to make it jaggeder and smooth it out and whatnot. And then you use the other attachment with the hole in it to put one of these sticky strips in it, and then obviously that's the glue to seal it off after as well. And that should be it, and you just let it set, and it literally is ready to go within seconds. All right, we'll go home and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm home now, so I've got the pliers out, got a little drill, that's the kit. So what we'll do, pull that nail out first. So it did have a tiny bit of air left in it. Alright, cool, we'll just leave that there a second. What I'm going to do is find the right similar size to this. Yeah, this one seems about right. Alright, cool. So pull this out. So basically the drill's cleaned it all up now. So basically just do that a couple of times. And that's just cleaned it out a little bit more. What you want to do now is use the other attachment and then put one of these in and then coat it with this stuff here. They call it the rubber cement. So yeah, we're going to coat this, put it inside the needle, and then put that in the tyre and then pull it out. They're really gooey and sticky. Take that out and then it's going to go in here. Alright, so put it in halfway, so that's in halfway now, and then it says cover it with the glue. So it comes with the sealed bottle. You got to turn the lid up upside down, squeeze it. So you basically just got to put it in about 2/3 of the way.
You waste man, push it. What are you doing? There, that's
So 2/3 of the way, that's it. And then just pull it out in one go. So
as fast as you can.
So yeah, don't twist it as well, it says. So 1, 2, 3. So it's come through there. Now, yeah, just let it do what it's got to do, and then you can cut these jobbies off. I can't be bothered to get the airline out, so I'm just going to use this pump a bit for track days and pump it up.
A few moments later.
Alright, cool. So we pumped it up to about just over 32 psi, which is what I normally use, and there's no bubbling on any of the glue. So I put generous amount of glue on it and there's no bubbles coming out, so we know there's not leaking. So I've lined the wheels up over here. What I'm going to do is wash these 3 first, let the glue on the other ones dry. So I'm just going to use some cheap snow foam that I got. It's greasy. Basically, I think the last person must have had a split CV boot. There's a lot of thick grease over here. So, yeah. We're definitely not going to be doing the 2 bucket method. So, well. Also, the brush I'm using is basically just a chopped up paintbrush. It's not actually a detailing brush, but it's basically the same thing.
I forget you're the detailing one.
Why are you talking? Did I say you can speak?
Shush, mate.
So I've washed all the wheels now. I didn't do the best job, just a quick rinse. And basically, yeah, here they are. Obviously 2 of them are normal, just summer tires, and then 2 of them are all weather. I'll be putting these all weather on front and then those ones on the back. And that's what they're going to be going on. That's that one off. That one is a 17. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to break all of the bolts first, and then I'll jack it up, otherwise you ain't removing the bolts once it's off the ground. So that's all of them done. It's got a jacking point on the front, or on the back here, another one over there, but with this jack it will basically jack up both sides, as in the whole side. Ideally you want to put some axle stand underneath as well, but I'll just use these wheels. Tread wise, these were just above the limit. Worst thing about the Up, it's not got studs, it's got bolts, wheel nuts. Yeah, it's got wheel nuts. So the wheel basically just drops off, and especially with aftermarket wheels, it's no good. Tread wise, yeah, that's not too bad as well, still about 2 mil above the markers. I'm going to be putting this one, the all weather on front. So basically this is what I mean. Like, once you put it up here, there's so much movement, so you literally have to support the wheel whilst it's on the thing. Also, you want to put something underneath the car, so if the car drops, slips off the jack, which I've had before. And yeah, it's basically I've had a whole car land on my hand before. But yeah, it's not nice, so you want to put something underneath to catch it. Axle stands, I just use the wheels underneath before I get underneath, so that's fine, you know. Did you see that? Oh, because it's not on that side of the car, so it's lifted this way as tripod, because it's only on that wheel. Alright, cool. So let's do the other one now. I basically supported the wheel on my legs at the moment, because I'm not using spigot rings, it's not hub centric, but I've done track driving like this before, I've done triple figures before. As long as you tighten them up properly and use the right bolts and everything, there's no issues with not using hub centric. Obviously all you keyboard warriors and everything's going to tell me off for that, but oh well, don't care. I've never had any problems. Yeah, once you get 2 opposite ones in, then generally it's found its position, now you can just put the other 2 in surrounding them. Cool. I'll get the wheels out. I think these are the same weight as those alloy ones, and these are only 14s. They look much better, innit? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to torque them up. Ideally you should use a torque wrench, but I don't bother. Yeah, and when you're tightening, you want to do opposite to that one, that one, that one, that one, in any order, but just do opposites. So yeah, now they're actually sticking somewhat in line with the wheel arch now. They look a lot better.